Welcome to VIP Auto Group, where you always save more money. Today we got a 2015 Chevy Silverado customized with the ramp on the passenger side. Let me show it to you. You open the passenger door. And then we got a ramp. We have a remote control little button, that you open operates with that. So we gotta go up because the ramp isn't done. Then we gotta go out. Then we hit down, nice and quiet. You can hop in with the wheelchair. Then you can go up. I'm about 210. Gotta lose some weight. And then we gotta get in. And we gotta press down. You can transfer from one easy lock to another easy lock. I can see you. It's got a pretty inside. Like I said, it's been customized, altered. So if you have any questions, feel free to call us 727-492-7566. Thank you for watching our videos.